So if n is a positive integer, then show that 1 plus I whole to the power 2n plus 1 minus I whole power 2n is equals to 2 power n plus 1 into cos of n pi by 2. So what is given complex number here? 1 plus I. 1 plus I is the given complex number. Okay. So I am writing this 1 plus I as 1 plus I into 1. A plus IB form or X plus IY form. Now find the value of R. R is nothing but under root of x square plus y square. Okay. So here x plus IY, x is equal to 1, y is equals to 1. So 1 square plus 1 square. Root of 1 plus 1 is equals to root 2. Now multiplying and dividing by root 2. So then 1 plus I is equals to, okay, so 1 plus I into 1. Okay, in this I am dividing by root 2 and multiplying by root 2. Multiplying and dividing by root 2. This is equals to root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. I by root 2. Okay. So now we are converting this into mod amplitude form. Now it is in the mod amplitude form. Okay. So x plus Iy is equals to R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, this is mod amplitude form. Mod amplitude form. So we have to convert into that form. We are going to convert into that form. So that is nothing but root 2 into 1 by root 2. When we get 1 by root 2 in cos theta, cos 45, cos pi by 4 plus I into, when we get 1 by root 2 in sin theta, that is sin 45 or sin pi by 4. Okay, cos pi by 4 plus I into sin pi by 4. Okay, this is the value of 1 plus I. Now, here in the given LHS, 1 plus I whole power 2n is given. So 1 plus I whole power 2n we want. So take power 2n, okay, for both the terms separately, or cos pi by 4 plus I into sin pi by 4. Okay, so to this whole to the power 2n, whole to the power 2n. Okay, yes. Now this is equals to, separate that power 2n here, root 2 whole power 2n, root 2 whole power 2n and cos pi by 4 plus I into sin pi by 4 whole to the power 2n, whole power 2n. So now this power 2n we write in front of the theta. Power 2n we write in front of the theta. Here root is nothing but power 1 by 2. Root is power 1 by 2 and whole power 2n. And according to De Moivre's theorem, we can write the power in front of the theta. So that is 2n into pi by 4. 2n pi by 4 plus I into sine of 2n into pi by 4. Okay. So how we are getting this? According to De Moivre's theorem. According to De Moivre's theorem. What is De Moivre's theorem here? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n, whole to the power n is equals to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. I sin n theta. Okay, this is only the De Moivre's theorem. Here power 2 gets cancelled. Here 2 ones are 2 2s are. Here 2 ones are 2 2s are. Okay, so what we get here? 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n into cos of n pi by 2 plus I into sin n pi by 2, sin n pi by 2. Okay, this is the value of 1 plus I whole power 2n. Similarly, okay, similarly, we have another term. Similarly, 1 minus I whole power 2n. What we can write? The same terms we get, only change in the sign. So 2 power n into cos n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. We get same to same, only the difference is sign. Okay, in middle we have plus. Okay, so in the first term, in the second term we have minus. So we get minus extra. Now what is LHS? What is LHS? Adding both. LHS is equal to 1 plus I whole power 2n and 1 minus I whole power 2n. So add both the terms. That is nothing but 2 power n into cos n pi by 2 plus I sin n pi by 2 plus 2 power n into cos n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. N pi by 2. So 2 power n is common in both the terms. 2 power n is common in both the terms. Take it common. So the remaining is cos n pi by 2 plus I into sin n pi by 2 plus cos n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. Okay, so now I sin n pi by 2, I sin n pi by 2 gets cancelled. Okay, so here this is equals to 2 to the power n into cos plus cos, 2 cos, that is 2 into cos n pi by 2. 2 power n into 2 power 1, that is 2 to the power n plus 1. 2 to the power n plus 1 into cos n pi by 2. Cos n pi by 2. This is equal to RHS. This is equal to RHS.
RHS.
So we took the LHS part, we got the RHS. Okay. Hence it is.
Yes, sir.
Hence. Okay.
It is proved.
Yes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good.